Are heat pumps worth it? Exploring the cost of heat pumps. There are many factors affecting the assessment of whether heat pumps are worth it. One of the primary determinants is the type of heat pump selected. For instance, air source heat pumps generally have lower upfront costs than ground source systems, which require excavation and installation efforts. Additionally, the size and capacity of the heat pump needed for a specific space will also impact the overall cost. Larger commercial buildings may require more powerful systems, driving up equipment and installation costs. Another important factor is the installation complexity. The location of the installation site can influence the cost, as installations in densely populated or urban areas may require special permits or additional labor. Furthermore, the expertise of the installer can affect pricing, as highly certified and experienced professionals may charge a premium for their services. Energy efficiency ratings also play a role, as higher efficiency models may have a higher initial price but can lead to significant savings on energy bills over time. SEER and HSPF ratings will directly affect long-term operating costs. Installation costs can vary significantly based on type of heat pumps, the complexity of the installation, and the region in which you reside. Additional costs may arise from necessary modifications to your commercial project, such as electrical upgrades or even structural changes. The supporting ancillaries products can also increase the project costs. Heat pumps deliver 3 to 4 times more heating or cooling energy than the electrical energy they consume. This high level of efficiency can lead to lower utility costs. Moreover, the environmental benefits of heat pumps should not be overlooked. Heat pumps can reduce greenhouse gas emissions compared to traditional fossil fuel heating systems. Understanding the cost of heat pumps is vital for anyone considering the energy-efficient heating and cooling solution. Installation and maintenance costs, as well as financing options, play crucial roles in determining the overall financial implications of owning and operating a heat pump. To receive the latest information on renewable technologies, legislation, and best practice, sign up to our free newsletter today through our website or by simply scanning the QR code.